Also, we found it very useful to put the flip video camera onto its tripod, and while I'm doing my theory sessions in class, explaining the theory and principles on the whiteboard, is to actually record it. No special equipment. All this was a little flip video camera on its little cheap tripod, put onto the table in front and just switched on. And once this lesson was over, uploaded straight up to the content and the link created there.
Take a measurement from the boundary, and what's the first measurement you got to on the baseline?
So basically what it's doing, it's capturing the class. Can I just say one thing about that we got from feedback from students, is that we're under the assumption that when we video our classes that we need clapperboards, lighting, a script and everything like that. The more artificial it is, the more it turns the student off. What we found, it creates a barrier between the learning and the student. What the students appreciate is a lot of the content which is done on the fly. What they're interested in is the knowledge, the understanding, not that it's a full digital production. One of the things you're going to see next is that I actually teach CAD, computer-aided design, which is part of this module, using screencasts almost solely. And what the students really like about that is that when I make a mistake and I perhaps use the odd swear word, or because I'm producing this content at home, they can hear the washing machine or the dustbin van backing up the lane. Or as soon as I get halfway through an important point, somebody rings up trying to sell me soffits and fascias. And I don't even bother turning the screencast off. They listen into this conversation because it's actually caught on the fly. What I'm actually experimenting with is putting my personality over on these screencasts and leaving those bits in, not trying to get these bits absolutely perfect. There are times when you do need it like that, but for most of the time when it's created like this, they like the personality of this, and with all the little slip-ups in there as well.